We have 4 fellowship programs available. First is aesthetics, which focuses on smile design, oral surgery, which handles oral medicine and extractions, implant dentistry, which has a good balance between restorative and surgical techniques, and lastly, the operative and digital dentistry program, focusing on the digital advancements in dentistry. NYU is the largest dental school in the United States. Our clinics see over 1,000 patients a day, so you'll be exposed to a wide variety of patients that reflect the diversity of New York City. One of the most special aspects about the Advanced Clinical Fellowships is that it allows internationally trained dentists to practice on real patients in our clinics. About 80% of the time, our students are in the clinic practicing on real patients. The remaining 20% of the time is spent on didactic work, including presentations and lectures from our faculty. The priority deadline for our applications is January 31st. My biggest tip of advice is to apply early. We're looking forward to reading your application soon.